drove down to Fullerton, California, and I thought I'd take a quick stop at Leo Fender's G&L Guitar Factory. I didn't get to go inside, but look at all these wood scraps from the guitars they made. Then I paid a visit to Ronin Autowerks. My buddy Matt Rose specializes in BMWs, but he works on all kinds of cool stuff. Here's his blue B sedan 2002 under wraps. This is a Nissan Patrol. It's their version of the Land Rover. Matt was swapping out the engine and the gearbox. This green car is a Lola Sports 2000. These are purpose-built race cars, totally adjustable, super lightweight, and they're really quick. These sticky tires were doing a good job. Everywhere I looked was an awesome project. It was like being in a candy store. Lots of vintage racing prepared 2002s. This is Matt's personal project. It's a VW Transporter pickup. But my personal favorite vehicle here only has two wheels. It's a freshly painted Honda Trail 70. I always wanted one of these when I was a teenager. It's such an awesome restoration. Thanks for the tour, Matt.